Here is a massive Torfa lives at center called shopping center. This shopping centers some Sporting Glass stores, but they have only 2 buildings. Anyways, first to a Sporting Glass of home. Notice, due to 2 hours, a free 2 hours of car park, some of the list will be skipped. Anyways, let's just go in. We're almost to get in. I need my quality to be better. So the lift situated right there. When would this stupid quality get better? My camera's quality is acting so crazy. Wait, oh yeah, it got better. Okay, so sometimes my phone camera's quality gets bad sometimes, but not all the time. Ugh. So this is almost getting decorated for Christmas. There's a lift. Wow. This lift goes kind of slow. What? We got to stop at the ground.
Pasa. Venga. Pasa. A ver que este señor también quiere entrar con el carro. Le dejamos un ratito. A ver, hace cara y Alicia, que hace el chico.
Sometimes these lifts are busy.
¿Qué te ha dicho Padre Noel? Carmen, ¿qué te ha dicho? ¿Te ha hecho con la mano? ¿No Padre Noel?
And here our basement. So this is stopping at a very invalid floor.
Sí, sí, aquí es.
What is in here? Oh, this is just the stuff at home. You may leave the lift. Yep. Oh, this is a very hard button to press. Whoa. What? $10. $10 for parking? You got to be kidding me. Yeah, the entire shopping center is being decorated for Christmas. So as you can see, there's some kids with Santa Claus, and so you have got basic Christmas decorations. What do they say, Trim? Oh look, there's some beautiful Christmas decorations. I wonder what is going to. I wonder when this is getting very beautiful. I wish my camera's quality will get better. How much is this camera? Its quality is acting so crazy. That was past the administration officers. Anyways, there's some escalators to go to car park. But this time we're gonna look at the really beautiful atrium. This is nice. This is unbelievable. Oh, this quality needs to get better. Oh wait, let me clean my camera. So this quality will never act like kind of crazy. So what are the next lifts? Now we are going to get outside outside of the shopping center where where you can find better Christmas decorations. But wait, you can find better in this inside of it. Ugh. This quality needs to stop acting crazy. Oh yeah, this quality stop acting crazy. Yes. Oh yes. The quality of my canvas stop acting crazy. Oh yes. So now we could look at the Christmas decoration with better quality. Okay, let's go. Yeah, this looks beautiful. I wonder what's it. It is very nice. And now we enter quality field. But what just happened to the quality? Still isn't acting crazy. Well, that's better. The quality should not act crazy at any time. I'm gonna get out my jacket. This is nice. So, is there any more lifts to film? Let me film this. Wow, this looks more nice. This absolutely looks nicer, and also does the Christmas decorations on every atrium of a shopping center. So also these Christmas decorations on the ceiling lights, they also look better. So moving on to the next lifts, which is some really nice and crap lifts. These lifts go to the parkings. But sometimes these lifts are so busy. So when are you going to move with these lifts? Cannot use in case of fire. Mouth. These are old Schindler cabs. What? Well, is this the right floor we are got? Copyright. Which was nice. Wow. So we have got another Christmas decoration to see. Wow, these atrium Christmas decorations look nice. Oops. So now we stop on this. No. Getting down these stairs, there's a childish thing, so you cannot get a Christmas decoration for this atrium. Moving on to an accordingly fashion building. This building is 5 floors, and the next lifts, which are Jersey Schindlers, but they were more nice than to Schindler Morels. Well, let's just go right these lifts, please. So we are going on to the way to the lifts. As you can see, it's been a while going over here, and all of the lifts have been successfully modernized. But the cab is original, but the logic has been changed. And so as you can see, outside of the lifts, they've left the same door rails, but not inside. This is called another lift to go down. Look at this, Dad. These other ones. Oh, there. What is it? The most PCest lift? Girl. Oh, yeah. Please let us go.
Miguelín, te estás pasando, ¿eh?
Mira cómo me tira bocado.
Oye, estás sacando mucho esfuerzo, mío.
Pero no le tira pelo, normal. Buena pena tienes. Vale, vamos.
Yeah, Flo. Please, thank you.
A callar.
Thank you for visiting. I hope you have a great day. Well, this is not funny. So we just stop at the basement. This is going to be massively a really nice lift. So as you can see, the cab is being left the same as original. The fishes used to be Schindler D series. They used to be Schindler D series, pressable inside, but touch sensitive as call button. Here we are, the 5th floor. It's the 5th floor.
Cuatro.
Okay, 4. Okay, boys, you're getting.
Mañana.
What? I just shuttered the doors on someone.
Vamos a... Gracias. ¿Nosotros a cuál vamos? Has puesto...
Basement.
Menos uno, ¿no, Rubén?
¿Vamos a cero?
This is a floor. Yes. So I believe that the entire 4th floor has been, the area of the lifts at 4th floor has been refurbished. So there's here a really beautiful Christmas decoration. You can see it below this video. Huh? So there's another Christmas decoration with particle meters. Wow. This looks nicer than before. This just looks nice. Oh my god! The 3 of the lifts have floor 0. The logic of the lifts before was very bad. So I didn't really like the lifts before, but I now like how they are. All of the lifts being successfully modernized into Schindler MRLs. So I don't know how the Court English staff managed to modernize the lifts. Yeah, this looks beautiful. So below people, if you're watching this video, if you do not know how they make these lifts before, you can go in my past videos. So that when I released this before, with a very quite bad logic. You can just go on my channel and watch how were these lifts before. Yeah, this cab, but the cab looks like a bit of old. Yeah, we just got on the 1st floor. Does this really act like a Technicolor lift? What if you're watching this video? I grant Schindler a really nice support on modernizing the lifts. So yeah, I've gotten here more Christmas decorations. So Christmas decorations and lifts are the point of this video. Let's just say this Schindler did a really great mod on the lifts of the Court English Fashion Building. They really did the greatest mod ever. So now we stop on the shoe shop, which is really, it smells like feet. It smells so freaking bad. To get to the food court, we have to go to the lower mall level. So what is the point?